Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1972 Corvette in Elkhart Green. But before we get into this Corvette, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. We're a full-service classic car dealership. What I just showed you is where we do full frame off restorations, and on this side of the wall we do have cars for sale, and we have anywhere from 90 to 100 cars in inventory at all points of time. Additionally, 80% of the inventory is domestic classic cars, and then we will also have about 20% of luxury, exotics and or European vehicles. But again, as I mentioned, about 80% of the inventory is domestic classic cars. All ages. As you see, we have a 1920 Ford Model T, and then as you come back over in this other room, a pair of 2022 C8 Corvettes convertibles. If you are interested in any of the vehicles you see today on the video, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website. You can see more information and pictures of any of the vehicles that you see today. But as I walk back to this 72 Corvette that we're looking at today, we do offer financing for those that are either looking for it or want financing. We do work with classic car finance partners that can certainly get you financing on this 72 Corvette and any of our other inventory. If you're not in Sarasota, Florida, don't worry. We can still get you a car of your dreams. We do ship all over the world, anywhere in the US, obviously. Just give us a call, 941-355-1955. The individual we've been using to ship our vehicles has been shipping vehicles for 13 or 14 years. Everybody that they ship with is insured and bonded, so your vehicle will get to you safe and sound, and it is, as I mentioned, insured and bonded. So as we get into this Elkhart Green 1972 Corvette, you can see a lot of chrome. Car is in excellent condition. See the Jag chrome wheels. It does have four-wheel disc brakes. See side exhaust. It does have a factory block 350 with just a little work done on the engine. It does have a Linati Voodoo cam to enhance their performance. MSD ignition. It's been bored over just slightly, 0.26 I believe. All the information and specs are on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If I've gone too fast on a certain area of the car, we have about 50 to 75 pictures of the vehicle on our website. We do have it up on the lift, so you can see the underneath as well of this car and any of our other vehicles as well. Again, paint is in very good condition. We'll go ahead and get in it, start it up. Let you hear it. It is a 4-speed manual, black interior. As you can see, sorry for the pictures being dark. As I mentioned online, you will see better pictures of the interior. It does have a cassette player. Go ahead and get the key. the beautiful 1972 Corvette here. If you have any questions, again, visit our website or give us a call at 941-355-1955. Go ahead and rev it a little bit, let you hear the engine. Just a little bit here, you can see it's Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And I appreciate you joining today. Thank you.